Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. In today's video I want to take a look at my mouse, my main computer mouse. It's a Logitech MX1100, I think. It's a laser mouse and it started acting up. So I really love this mouse. I have this now for about 10 years, I think. I don't want to buy a new one because I'm really happy with it. It fits my hand perfectly and it always worked great. But in the last couple of weeks, it started double pressing when I didn't want to. And yeah, that's the main problem because I edit my videos with this and yeah, that's no good. In today's video, I tried to fix this. Maybe if I clean the micro switches, this will solve the problem, and it needs a good clean anyway. Yeah, it's pretty gross and filthy, but yeah, it's my daily driver and I really wanted to fix it. And now, without any more waffle, let's get started. So, how to open this up? There are no screws, but I think here, these indents, maybe there are screws. So let's try this. Yeah, here are the screws. One more. So let's open it up. Oh, I missed some screws here. This does all look good. So now I will put in a little bit of contact cleaner here. And hopefully this will solve the problem. Yeah, I hope this did the trick. So now I will give it a little bit of a clean. All the finger grease and yeah. Then I put it back together and test it for a while, and then I hope this did the trick. So it's a little bit cleaner. And now I put it back together and then I will test it for the next days or so, and then I will report back if it worked, and then I can end the video. So it's really easy to take apart and put back together, so that's really nice. Still turns on, nice. Yeah, so I will test it and then I report back if it worked. See you in about 2 or 3 days. I used the mouse now for about a week, and I just finished editing the video about the mouse. Yeah, and it works flawlessly so far. Yeah, so that was a successful fix. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing if you haven't already. Again, thanks very much for watching this video, and I see you in the next one. Bye.
Wow.